it all. For a link to the PDF version of these instructions, check down below in the description. The 2x2 raised garden bed requires 4 2-foot timbers and 4 stacking stakes per level. For a full list of the individual parts that go into this, as well as the cubic soil required for each level, check the description below. To connect your boards and brackets, take a bracket and slide one onto either end of your board until the snap lock hole is lined up. Once you have the hole lined up, take one of your snap lock plugs and lay it flat onto that opening. Then with the palm of your hand, apply firm pressure until you hear a click. Now flip the board around and repeat this step on the other side. If you're having trouble installing the snap lock plugs by hand, you can also use a hammer or mallet to install them. If you think that you've installed your bracket in the wrong orientation and you need to remove it and flip it around, you can do so using a flathead screwdriver. Take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the opening on either side of the snap lock plug. Insert it and apply firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. Then flip it around again and repeat this step. Firm pressure into the nub and twist up. Now you can remove your bracket and flip it around. When connecting the boards and brackets for your 2x2 design, make sure to connect the brackets on either end in alternating fashion. On this side we have a bracket sleeve that's in the down position, and on the other side have the bracket in the up position. Connect all 2-foot boards for all levels in this pattern. For hard surface installation, you can use a hacksaw to cut off the part of the stake that inserts into the ground. This garden bed design uses stacking stakes for the first level, and what I've done is when I set up the first level, I put the stacking stakes facing upside down. And in this way, because they're not secured into the ground yet, I can make adjustments to my base shape and then follow up with driving these stakes into the ground. Once you have the first level of your design laid out properly, flip over the stakes and hammer them into the ground. If you have a multi-level design, for each additional level, it'll take 4 timbers and 4 stakes, and the stacking stakes will insert into the top of the ground level stakes. Once you've stacked all the levels of your garden, take your finishing caps and secure them on top of each of your 4 joints. If you have any questions on this instructional video, please email us at support@frameitall.com.
Frame it all.